Welcome to Max online class. Exercise 5.4. First sum. Find the slope of the following straight lines. Subdivision 1. 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. 5y minus 3 is equal to 0. So slope is equal to minus a by b. Slope is equal to minus a by b. A means a coefficient of x, b means coefficient of y. Here there is no x term. There is no x term, so coefficient of x is 0. So 0 divided by, here coefficient of y is 5. So 0 by 5. 0 by 5 means 0. So slope is 0. Subdivision 2. 7x minus 3 by 17 is equal to 0. Then slope is equal to minus a by b. A means coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is 7. So minus 7 divided by b means coefficient of y. Here there is no y term. So coefficient of y is 0. So 1 by 0 means undefined. So slope is undefined. Second sum. Find the slope of the line which is parallel to y is equal to 0.7x minus 11. Find the slope of the line which is parallel to y is equal to 0.7x minus 11. You bring this y other side, it becomes negative. So this equation becomes 0.7x minus y minus 11 is equal to 0. We want to find the slope. Slope is equal to, we know that slope is equal to minus a by b. A means a coefficient of x, b means coefficient of y. So which is equal to minus 0.7 divided by minus 1. Minus 0.7 divided by minus 1. So that is equal to 0.7. So slope is equal to 0.7. Here we want to find the slope of the line which is parallel to y is equal to 0.7x minus 11. So slope of a line parallel to y is equal to 0.7x minus 11 is 0.7. Parallel means m1 is equal to m2. So 0.7. Subdivision 2. Perpendicular to the line x is equal to minus 11. Perpendicular to the line x is equal to minus 11. Bring this minus 11 other side, it becomes positive. So x plus 11 is equal to 0. Slope is equal to minus a by b. Here a means coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 1. So minus 1 by b means coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is 0. There is no y term. So 0. Minus 1 by 0. We have taken as m1. Minus 1 by 0 we have taken as m1. Then the slope of the line perpendicular to the line x is equal to minus 11. That is given the question. We know that any line perpendicular, any equation perpendicular to the line means m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Any equation perpendicular to the line means m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Substitute here. So this becomes minus 1 by 0 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Cross multiply. So m2 is equal to 0 into any number 0. So m2 is equal to 0. So slope of a line perpendicular to the line x plus 11 equal to 0 is 0. Third sum. Check whether the given lines are parallel or perpendicular. Subdivision 1. X by 3 plus y by 4 plus 1 by 7 is equal to 0, comma 2x by 3 plus y by 2 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 0. We want to check whether the given lines are parallel or perpendicular. So the condition for parallel is m1 is equal to m2. M1 is equal to m2 means the two slopes are equal. If so slope is equal to minus a by b. We know that slope is equal to minus a by b. A means coefficient of x, b means coefficient of y. Here a is 1 by 3, b is 1 by 4. Substitute the values. So minus 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 4, which is equal to minus 1 by 3. Change the symbol, change division into multiplication. If you change the division into multiplication, you have to take reciprocal. So 4 by 1. Multiply the numerator separately and denominator separately. So you have minus 4 by 3. Then consider the second equation. Then find out the slope. M2 is equal to minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 2. Minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 2. Then similarly here also you change division into multiplication. So if you change division into multiplication, you have to take reciprocal. So minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 1, which is equal to, multiply the numerator and denominator separately. So you have minus 4 by 3. Now slope of the first equation is equal to slope of the second equation. M1 is equal to M2. M1 is equal to M2. So the given lines are parallel. Subdivision 2. 5x plus 23y plus 14 is equal to 0 and 23x minus 5y plus 9 is equal to 0. M1 is equal to minus a by b, which is equal to, here a is 5, b is 23, so minus 5 by 23. Then slope of the second equation, M2 is equal to minus a 23 divided by b minus 5. So cancel the numerator and denominator by minus sign. So you have 23 by 5. Then find M1 into M2. Which is equal to, substitute the values. Here M1 is minus 5 by 23 into M2 is 23 by 5. Then cancel. 23 cancel. 5 also cancel. So you have minus 1. So the two lines are perpendicular. Fourth sum. If the straight lines 12y is equal to minus p plus 3x plus 12, 12x minus 7y is equal to 16 or perpendicular, then find the p. Here the two straight lines are perpendicular. That is given in the question, but you have to find the value of p. So what is the condition? The condition for a perpendicular line is M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Product of the two slope is equal to minus 1. First let us consider the first equation. 12y is equal to minus p plus 3x plus 12. Bring this term to other side, it becomes a positive. So p plus 3x plus 12y minus 12 is equal to 0. Then slope of the first equation. Slope of the first equation, that is M1 is equal to minus a by b. A means coefficient of x, b means coefficient of y. That is, here coefficient of x is minus p plus 3. Coefficient of x is p plus 3 divided by coefficient of y is 12. Then consider the second equation. 12x minus 7y is equal to 16. Then slope of the second equation, that is M2 is equal to minus a by b, which is equal to minus, here a is 12 and b is minus 7. Cancel the numerator and denominator by minus sign. So the remaining you have 12 by 7. Since the two lines are perpendicular means M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Here M1 is minus p plus 3 by 12 into M2 is 12 by 7 is equal to minus 1. 12 cancel. Remaining similarly minus cancel. Remaining you have p plus 3 divided by 7 is equal to 1. Cross multiply. So p plus 3 is equal to 7. Then p is equal to 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 means 4. So p is equal to 4. So the value of p is 4. Fifth sum. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the point p minus 5, 2 and parallel to the line joining the points q 3, minus 2 and r minus 5, 4. Find the equation of a straight line. Passing through the point and parallel to the line joining the points q and r. First find the slope. Slope is equal to, here 2 points are given, so you have to use this formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Substitute the values. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, which is equal to 4 plus 2 divided by minus 5 minus 3, which is equal to 4 plus 2 6 divided by minus 5 minus 3 means minus 8. Cancel the numerator and denominator by 2 table. So remaining you have 3 by 4, 3 by minus 4, which is equal to minus 3 by 4. Now slope of its parallel. Slope of its parallel. We know that parallel means m1 is equal to m2. Slopes are equal. So its parallel is also minus 3 by 4. And the given point is minus 5 comma 2. The given point is minus 5 comma 2. Here one point and one slope is there. Use slope point formula. That is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. The equation of the straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute the values. So this equation becomes y minus, this is x1 y1. So y minus 2 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x plus 5. x1 is minus 5, so plus 5. Cross multiply. So 4y minus 8 is equal to, multiply the minus 3 inside the bracket. So you have minus 3x minus 15. So bring these two terms other side, it becomes positive. So 3x plus 4y minus 8 plus 15 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 4y minus 8 plus 15, 7 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a straight line. Sixth sum. Find the equation of a line passing through 6, minus 2 and perpendicular to the line joining the points 6, 7 and 2, minus 3. Find the equation of a line passing through 6, minus 2 and perpendicular to the line joining 6, 7 and 2, minus 3. Let A is equal to 6, 7, A, B 6, 7, B 2, minus 3 and D 6, minus 2. First find the slope. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. First point, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Substitute the values. So in the place of y2 substitute minus 3, minus in the place of y1 substitute 7, divided by in the place of x2 substitute 2, minus in the place of x1 substitute 6. So minus 3 minus 7 minus 10 divided by 2 minus 6 minus 4. Cancel the numerator and denominator by minus sign and cancel the numerator and denominator by 2 table. Then remaining you have 5 by 2. This is slope of AB. Then slope of its perpendicular CD. Slope of its perpendicular CD is minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m. Substitute the values. Minus 1 by m is 5 by 2. Take reciprocal. Then it becomes a 2 by 5. Already one minus 1 is there. So minus 1 into 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5. This is slope of perpendicular CD. Actually we want to find the equation of a line CD. Here one point and one slope is there. So use slope point formula. That is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Substitute the values. Y minus, this is x1 y1, so y1 is plus, already one minus sign is there, so plus 2. Y plus 2 is equal to m is minus 2 by 5 into x minus x1 is 6. Cross multiply. 5 into y plus 2 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 6. Multiply the 5 inside the bracket, so it becomes 5y plus 10 is equal to, here also multiply the minus 2 inside the bracket, so this becomes minus 2x plus 12. So bring this minus 2x and plus 12 other side, it becomes this becomes a positive and plus 2 becomes a negative. So the equation becomes 2x plus 5y plus 10 minus 12 is equal to 0. 2x plus 5y 10 minus 12 is 2 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a straight line. 2x plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a straight line.